In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom contact property in HubSpot. Whether you're managing contact information for sales, marketing, or customer service, customizing your HubSpot properties helps you keep track of the specific information that matters most to your business. Let's dive into the process. It's straightforward and user-friendly. First, navigate to HubSpot's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot website, or click your saved bookmark if you have one. Once there, click on the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password, then click login again to access your HubSpot account. If your account uses two-factor authentication, have your phone or authentication app ready to complete the login process. Once logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home screen. From here, go to the top navigation bar and click on the settings icon. It's the gear-shaped icon on the top right. This is where you can configure various options and properties within your HubSpot account. Now that you're in the settings menu, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Properties. The Properties section is essential for organizing and tailoring data fields to fit your team's needs. Once inside, click on Create Property. A prompt will appear where you can define your new custom property. Click Add Property Details to start specifying what this property is about. You'll need to fill in a few details such as name, what you want to call the property field type, what kind of data it will hold group, which area it belongs to. Think carefully about these options as they define how you and your team interact with this data. When selecting a field type, consider the kind of input you expect for this property. HubSpot offers several field types, including single-line text, drop-down selections, date pickers, numbers, checkboxes, and more. Choosing the right field type ensures consistency and usability across your CRM. Once you've set everything, click Save, and that's it. Your new custom contact property is now ready to use. You can assign it to contacts and start leveraging this new level of customization to better serve your customer management needs. Remember, the goal is to make HubSpot work the way your business works, reflecting your unique processes and data requirements. If you ever need to adjust or refine these properties, you can always revisit the settings section and make updates anytime. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you personalize your HubSpot workspace to better meet your business needs.